When we talk about screen real estate, we're talking about our Chromebook screen and real estate, which normally means property like our house, our land, or space. In this workflow workshop, you'll learn more about how you can get the most out of your Chromebook screen's real estate. The first thing that we want to do is we want to be able to organize our tabs. So if you use an AW tab a lot, you can right click and click pin. And if you use the bright space, you can click on that and you can click pin. And what that'll do is those tabs will automatically load even when you close Chrome. And then if you have a bunch of tabs that you want to pair up and group together, you can highlight them and you can hold shift and then you can right click and you can group them. And when you group these tabs, and you can change that there and you can minimize that. So that will save you some space at the very top. The next thing that we want to talk about is zooming in and out. So when we talk about zooming in and out, you're going to hold control and you're going to click on the subtract sign to zoom out, and you're going to click control and click on the plus sign to zoom in. And if you click on control 0, that would reset things. So just to show you real quick, if we go here, if I click control and I click the plus sign, I'm zooming in. If I click control and the subtract sign, I'm zooming out, and I can click 0 to go back to the normal reset view. Now, to maximize our real estate, our actual space, we want to make sure that we are also using these two buttons here. The first one here on the left is the full screen button. When we click that, we'll lose this top bar here and this bottom shelf as well. So there we have it. And you can still access that by hovering over the top and hovering over the bottom as well. That's to get full screen in and out. And the next one here is our show all windows. So if you have a number of windows open, if I drag this out, I have a new window and I click show window, that will show me both the two windows that I have. And if I wanted to switch between the two, I can click show window and click to go and switch them, or I can hold Alt and click tab, and then I can switch between the two really quickly. Now, to maximize the real estate, we want to make sure that we also use our split screen. So if you're playing a game and you're trying to have a Google Meet and you want to have your Kahoot, you can hold the Alt button and you can click on this left square bracket, and that will shift one of these windows over to the left side. And if you click here, now you can go and hold Alt and you can shift and have this go to the right side. And you can also toggle them back and forth, or you might be able to make one go into full screen.